The Ship of Theseus is a thought experiment that challenges our understanding of identity and change over time. Theseus, a legendary Greek hero, owned a grand wooden ship. Over many years, the ship's planks began to rot, so one by one, they were replaced with new planks. Eventually, every single part of the ship had been replaced. The question arises, is it still the same ship? Now, imagine all the original planks were carefully stored and later used to reconstruct an identical ship. This leads to another question. Which one is the real Ship of Theseus? The one that had its parts replaced gradually, or the one rebuilt with the original materials? This dilemma explores the nature of identity. If something slowly changes over time but retains continuity, is it still the same? This applies beyond ships to people, objects, and even personal identity. Our bodies replace cells constantly, yet we consider ourselves the same person over decades. But if identity is tied to physical continuity, does a reconstructed version of something count as the original? The Ship of Theseus highlights the fluidity of identity. Philosophers debate whether things remain the same when altered, or if identity is tied to the sum of its parts at a single moment. In modern times, this thought experiment applies to AI, cloning, and even personal transformation. How much can we change before we're no longer the same?